Assalamu alaikum class and welcome back to Islamiat class. Well, today the topic of my lesson is related to my starting of video. Whenever I start my video and you on my lecture, what do I say? I say Assalamu alaikum or a good morning or hello or hi. So what are all these? These all are greetings. Yes, these all are Muslim greetings. All of the Muslims, hello, hi, and assalamu alaikum. See, I wrote AOA. This is the short form of assalamu alaikum. Hi and hello. Then good morning, good evening, and many more words are there. So this is basically our all greetings that we use to meet anyone, everyone near our surroundings, or whenever someone is coming to our home or we are going somewhere, we used to greet that person with the different names. Okay, so these all are the greetings. I want to show you a video on Muslim greetings, then we will start our lesson, that what are greetings and how do we say salam, or how do we greet someone in our daily lives. And that is an important element to, whenever we are meeting someone, we should have to greet him with a lovely thing, with a lovely gesture.
Greetings. Whenever we meet someone, we say hello or shake hands. How do you do? But there are different kinds of greetings. Like in Muslims, they say Assalamu alaikum, and the other person replies Wa alaikum assalam. Assalamu alaikum is a greeting for Muslims. It translates into may peace be with you. That's how a Muslim greeting is.
See, I want you to see it again.
Greetings. Whenever we meet someone, we say hello or shake hands. How do you do? But there are different kinds of greetings. Like in Muslims, they say Assalamu alaikum, and the other person replies Wa alaikum assalam. Assalamu alaikum is a greeting for Muslims. It translates into may peace be with you. That's how a Muslim greeting is.
So these are some of the greetings that we have to say to the person, to anyone who is coming to our home or we are going somewhere. It is your moral duty and moral responsibility to say Assalamu alaikum whenever you are meeting your servants, your shopkeepers, your grandparents, your parents, your friends, your family, or anyone you are meeting to. So let us read our chapter, unit number 12, Islamiat, Muslim greetings. Salam is a Muslim greeting. Muslims greet every and one another by saying Assalamu alaikum. It means may peace be upon you. The other person replies by saying Wa alaikum assalam. It means peace be upon you too. It is also good to be the first one to say salam to a person whom you are meeting. We must say Assalamu alaikum to our parents and elders when we get up in the morning. To our teachers and friends at school, to everyone in our room when we enter it, when we meet a friend or a relative, when we pick up the phone. So whenever we are picking up the phone like this, we always say hello, assalamu alaikum. I used to say, I do not repeat hello, assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum assalam. So these kind of the things should be practiced in our daily life on daily basis. See, the person is meeting and it is our moral responsibility and as well as it is our moral duty to say wa alaikum assalam in return of assalamu alaikum. Allah Ta'ala give lots of blessings to us to say assalamu alaikum to someone. Young people should say salam to their elders. A person who is standing should say it to a person who is sitting. Salam makes people love and respect each other. No doubt, salam creates love in our heart. And it is a thing that has a very important place in our Islam, in our life, and other person gets happy when we say Assalamu alaikum. So this is all about what is a Muslim greeting? Salam is a Muslim greeting. What do we say when we meet someone? We should say Assalamu alaikum. What does it mean? Peace be upon you. What is the reply of Assalamu alaikum? Wa alaikum assalam. And what is the meaning of it? May peace be upon you too. It is also good to the first one to say salam to the person whom you are meeting. To whom we do have to say assalamu alaikum? To our parents, to elders, to the teachers and friends, to the everyone in a room when we enter it, when we meet a friend or a relative, and when we pick up the phone. Young people has to say assalamu alaikum to the elder people. A person who is standing should say salam to the person who is sitting, and the person. And what does salam creates? Salam makes people love and respect each other. Okay, class. So this is all about Muslim greetings. I hope you have understood it well, and you will practice it in your daily life. So the chapter is, even I am finished with it, but I am writing it right now because we are going to use both types of Muslim greetings. Okay. So the words I'm going to write on the board is, first word is salam. Then peace. 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 Your activity is that you have to find these words in your book. Meeting. Relative. Room. Not room. Room is a very easy word. Okay. Respect. I think 5 words are enough for you because they are so easy. And I don't think so that you have to learn each and every word because in the previous lessons you have learned them a lot. Let us do the exercise now. Tell me the answers. Are you done with finding of the words? I'm giving you 1 minute for that. Please find them and circle them. What do we say when we meet someone? Assalamu alaikum. I'm going to raise it, okay? What is salam? What is salam? Tell me what is salam? What is salam? Salam is the Muslim greeting. Salam is the Muslim greeting. Okay, what does a Muslim say when he meets an other Muslim? What does it mean? What does we have to say when we meet someone? We should say Assalamu alaikum. See how to shake hand. Assalamu alaikum. What do we say? Assalamu alaikum. Muslims greet one another by saying Assalamu alaikum. It means may peace be upon you. May peace be upon you. Okay. Now let me write the second, third question for you. How does the other person reply? What does this mean? How does the other person reply? What does this mean? The other person saying Walaikum Assalam. The other person replies by Walaikum Assalam. It means peace be upon you too. And how do you greet your elders? What is the first question? How do you greet your elders? We greet our elders by saying salam. We greet our elders by saying salam. Okay? You have to write the answers. I'm holding the board for 2 minutes. Okay, now name 5 people to whom you said salam today. 5 people you said salam today. I'm going to write about my people. You have to write your own people. I say salam. Mother, brother, uncle, maid, and a friend. These are 5 people of mine to whom I said salam. Okay, now please tell me. Person, use these words to fill in the blanks. So Muslims greet one another by saying Assalamu alaikum. Write this in this blank. Then Assalamu alaikum means dash to be upon you too. Peace be upon you too. Walaikum assalam means peace be upon you too. A person who is dash should say it to a person who is sitting. A person who is standing should say salam to a person who is sitting. Salam makes people love and respect each other. Okay. So these are all about Muslims greetings, and we came to know about Muslim greetings. How do we greet others? How do we have to behave with others, and how do we perform the good things to others? Okay. So class, this is all about of our today's lecture. Inshallah, I'll be meeting you next week. Till the time, take care of you. Allah Hafiz.